Yep, this is Riverside Auto again. I'm gonna be setting up my mailbox here. Put it here because of the pandemic, ongoing pandemic. I need a mailbox. I guess everybody should have a mailbox now, I guess. So that when you drop off newsletters and updates about the pandemic, you don't have to come right in. So whoa, this is for my, I'm setting this up because of the pandemic. You know, so people are dropping stuff off here, and like sometimes a prescription for my son and myself, so they don't have to come in the house. They can just and there you have it. Okay, I just set it up just because of the pandemic, so no one has to come in. We don't have to meet anybody face to face. But that's the only reason why I set it up. Just keep everybody safe. We have a 24-hour lockdown to help stop the spread of COVID. So it's right beside there, right beside my garage. And I think that cost me $18 at Home Depot. And a couple of screws, it's on. So feel free to drop off your COVID update letters or anything that you feel is important, or I don't know, a medical van comes here once in a while, drops off newsletters, or somebody from the health center. But there seems to be no end in sight with this COVID thing, so I want to have a mailbox so they can put stuff in there. Newsletters, updates, medication. Hopefully they can see the mailbox. Thank you. And everybody be safe. I don't know how long the checkpoints are going to be up. It's June 7th, 2021. Yeah. Taking a toll on the people here of Sagkeeng. That the pandemic here is taking a toll on the elderly and the sick. Some have mail in town in Pine Falls, and they have to go to town to get their mail. Like they have government aid checks that are being mailed to them in their mail in town, and they're denied access to go to town. So if they can't pick up their check in town, they're even telling them they're telling the people at the checkpoints it's a government aid check or aid to help them financially through the pandemic, and they're still not allowing them in, even though some of them are disabilited, some of them are sick, elderly. So they're taking a toll on our people. So I'm sending out my mailbox for chief and council if they're sending anybody here, or somebody census. Even somebody from census called myself. Thank you.